Welcome to the grill. And tonight, we're grilling some corn tonight.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
Time to prep our corn, and we've got some nice, beautiful white corn here. Is it any sweeter than yellow? According to America's Kitchen, no. Yellow and white corn have the same type of sweetness. I just decided I wanted to go with some white corn because, you know, just was a little bit different than the yellow corn. Two simple ingredients. First thing, butter. We're going to take our corn and we're going to slather it with the butter on all of the kernels. Now we got all cobs of our corn slathered in butter. Next thing is our second ingredient, our Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. We're gonna douse that all over on all 4 cobs. And then once we do all that, it'll be time for the grill. Got our grill fired up and ready to go. We are doing direct heat with this. We've got our good hickory log in there, fired away. And we're putting it right on the flames. So we'll have all 4 ears of corn all on there, ready to go. So it's going to be a quick cook for them, only a few minutes on each side, and we'll rotate them around. But right now, it's time for them to cook this way. Temperature is getting around about 350 degrees to 400 degrees. I just opened up the grill to take a look at them, and you know what? I probably have held them on the grill a little bit too long. That is a little bit toasty, and I've heard a couple of the kernels start to turn into popcorn. So yeah, that is definitely overdone there. So we're going to flip them over here, cook on this side, and also we're going to rotate it around. We see that this one got a little bit less because this was less on the flame than that one. So we're going to put this one over here, and then we'll also turn them around where they're not directly on the flame, but getting enough of the heat that they're getting around. So done that, and then we're going to quickly check on these in just a couple of minutes. Flames are still around about 350 degrees, but it is now definitely time to take our corn off the grill. And the non-burn sides are looking good. How about that? Yeah, so, you know, I will say that, you know, with my show, it's sometimes you learn on what not to do, and maybe it wasn't a good idea to put them directly on the flames like that and get them kissed like that, but we'll take a test of them, see. Maybe not the burn side. I'm pretty sure that that wouldn't probably taste like charcoal, but maybe this side will not. I did kiss it a little bit more with some butter, more butter and some more Cavender's before taking them off to give them a little bit more extra flavor going on there. So we'll let these cool down and give it a taste. Time to taste our corn, and yeah, it came down that chart on that one side, but not too bad on this other side, so hopefully it should taste pretty good. I'm going to taste the char side because I'm brave like that. Yeah, it's very crunchy on that charred side, but it does have a good flavor to it. The Cavender's and the butter was a good mixture there. It might have been a little heavy-handed on the Cavender's. It was a little bit salty, but also the butter has salt in itself. So, and there's a couple of ways to eat this corn. Of course, you can always eat it off the kernel, or eat it off the cob, what I mean. Or you can just slice it down and take the kernels off and do regular whole kernel corn, you know. That's a couple of ways to do it. I like to do it this way because every time I always eat on the cob, it always gets stuck in my teeth. This was a trial and error for me, so yeah, this is my first time cooking corn, so hopefully it came out well. And I'm, you know, this also hopefully encourage you to try different things as well, and you know, try to get out of the comfort zone, because you never know on how good something's going to taste until you try it. So yeah, Good flavor with the Greek, the Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. Just a little bit salty on there, and very good taste with that butter. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget your favorite beverage, and don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I hope to see you next time.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.